As a developer in today's business, your subject matter expertise is not enough. Don't get me wrong, your skills as a developer do still matter a lot. But nowadays we build such complex products and services that no one is able to do alone. We need to work in teams because it's the only way to overcome our own limitations and gaps in our skill sets. If you work in tech and engineering, you can get a degree without learning how to work together with others. When you start your career, you'll likely work in a team. And then soft skills or team skills come into play. You may be puzzled how to handle some situations in your team, how to deal with different personalities, how to talk to customers, etc. So in this video, I'll introduce 8 ways how to cope better in product development team right from the start. This is useful for anyone early in their career or when joining a new team at a new company or just moving into another team in the same company. So let's get started. I'm Hannu, Product Team Coach. Thanks for tuning in. The essential skill number 1 for developers is asking and offering help. This may seem obvious, but believe me, it's not everyone's strength. There can be 1 or 2 individuals in the team who have the required skills and competencies for the job, but mind only about their own tasks. As a team player, you should put interest of the teams and businesses before anything else. Offering help to a teammate is one of the best ways to make progress on the team tasks as a whole. If someone is stuck with an important customer feature or a bug, they shouldn't be stuck too long. And when you get stuck, you ask for help. You may just need to get clarity on how to move forward. The essential skill number 2 for developers is to respect people's time. It is fine to ask help when you need to get things done, but what is not okay is to interrupt someone every 10 minutes. You should also learn to respect people's time and allow them to work on their task with focus. If you are new to the team and want to learn quickly, it would be much better to allocate longer time slots with senior teammates. Also be mindful when calling meetings. Invite only those who you think could contribute to making progress for that particular topic. If you don't know who to invite, please ask. Time is our most valuable asset. The essential team skill number 3 for developers is to learn how to communicate clearly. I have met developers who cannot really articulate clearly what they are working on and why. To make it more approachable to others, they should lift the abstraction level so that it is easier for others to understand what problems they are really solving. Now, if you are able to do that, people will understand the problem space first, and then you can dig into the details much easier. Being able to clarify your ideas to others can be a huge thing if you think about making progress in your career. The essential team skill number 4 for developers is to learn how to build trust. This requires that you are at least slightly interested in people who you work with. It's not only about their skills and expertise on the job, but who they are as a person. You don't have to build super deep relationships. After all, they are not your family. But sharing some things about your private life among colleagues is elemental in building trust in the team. Having a great level of trust in the team opens new opportunities and paves the way for becoming a high-performing team. The essential team skill number 5 for developers is crucial: being accountable. Missing out accountability quickly erodes trust in the team because people are not sure everyone delivers and keeps their promises. Being ambitious is okay, but if you continuously make promises you fail to keep, that's bad for your reputation as a team player. It is fine to admit you cannot keep a commitment and seek support, but you should do that as soon as you notice this is the case. Don't do it a day before the deadline. The essential team skill number 6 for developers is working in pairs and even as a whole team. You may think it's much more efficient to work alone on a task that is assigned to you. But when we advance as a broad front, we make progress slowly and we need to wait longer until we have something to deliver. That is why working in pairs gets you the momentum to get things done. When pairing, you can advance much faster on a single valuable entity, like a user story, even though not everyone is fully occupied all the time. Sharing work feels strange if you haven't done it earlier, but you can start small and see how it goes. The essential team skill number 7 for developers is to learn how to work with stakeholders, like your customers, managers, adjacent teams, or other decision makers. Face a situation where you have to show your product to a customer. They aren't usually experts in software or product development. However, they are the ones using and paying for your product. Learn the art of simplification when talking to them. Use the language they can understand. The essential team skill number 8 for developers may come as a surprise. You should also have fun when building great products. Sure, there will be pressure and maybe some high stakes. Great team spirit and sense of humor will help you along the way. Not everyone can build products that might change people's lives for the better. See the big picture and enjoy the journey. Okay, here are my 8 essential team skills for developers. Would they make to your list of essential team skills, or would you add some other skills? Let me know in the comments. Many thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.